students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 6 and 7 of exercise 7.1 of chapter 7 integrals for class 12 CBSE NCERT. Okay, so the question is find the following integrals, and in the sixth part it is being given, then we have to find the integration of 4e to the power 3x plus 1 dx. Okay, so finding the integral of this expression or this function. Okay, so it is having two functions basically. One is the 1 dx and one is the exponential function with a constant 4 in it. Okay, so we are going to separate it, so it will become 4 e to the power 3x dx plus integration of 1 dx. Okay, so here we can write over here x into x to the power 0, because anything power 0 is itself 1. Okay, so integrating the exponential functions, e to the power x will give us e to the power x only, but here it is 3x, so the coefficient of x will get divided by e to the power 3x. Okay, so let's start integrating it. So here we'll be getting 4 integration e to the power 3x dx plus integration 1 dot x to the power 0 dx. Okay, so 4 is a constant, so I have placed outside the integration. Okay, so it will become 4 e to the power 3x upon 3 plus, and over here it is x to the power 0, so it will become x to the power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1, and a constant will get added over here, and a constant will get added over here. So it will become 4 upon 3 e to the power 3x plus x plus c as my answer. Always remember, when you remove the integration sign, a constant has to come with it, and that constant is the integration constant. Okay, it is the integral constant. Okay, so my answer is 4 upon 3 exponential function to the power 3x plus x plus c. So now let us start with the question number 7. So in the question number 7 we are given x square in the bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. So let us multiply it. Okay, so x square will be multiplied individually. So here we will be getting x square into 1 will be x square minus x square upon x square. Okay, and the whole dx. So it will get cancelled. So here we are left with 1. So again we will be splitting the integration both. So integrating x square dx minus integrating 1 dot dx. So we already know that what is the formula for x to the power n. We have also applied over here also. Okay, so x to the power n dx, we already know the formula. It is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So this is the formula for the integration of x to the power n. So x square over here we are having. So when we will be integrating it, we will be getting x to the power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Okay, and a negative sign here. In the similar manner we can do it is x to the power 0. If we multiply it x to the power 0, it hardly matters. So it will become x to the power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1 plus c. Okay, so then we will be getting over here x to the power 3 upon 3 minus x plus c. So when the integration sign is removed, a constant comes, and that constant is the integral constant that I have denoted here with the capital C. So ultimately my answer is x cube upon 3 minus x plus c. Okay, so this is the answer for the 7th question. So in this manner we need to solve all the questions of this exercise. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.